Join the American Meteorological Society by becoming a member of the band. The AMS Weather Band is a global community of weather enthusiasts dedicated to learning and sharing their love of science. Visit amsweatherband.org to learn more and join the band today.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition. This is for Thursday, the 11th of March. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather will stay warm and dry through Sunday. Rain and storms return early next week. Will there be any severe weather with that? We'll talk about that. Here we go. This is the upper air look across the country today. Once again, we have a very intense upper high over the Gulf of Mexico, nosing in from the south. That's keeping us dry. And a really deep trough coming into California. That's going to set up a big-time snowstorm for parts of Colorado, Wyoming, Nebraska, South Dakota in coming days. Visible satellite view like recent days. The sky partly to mostly sunny across the state. And again today, temperatures are mostly in the 70s. We've got Tuscaloosa 75, Anniston 74, Birmingham 73. We'll be very close to 80 tomorrow, Saturday and Sunday. In fact, this afternoon, it's 79 in Jackson, Mississippi. It is 80 over in Shreveport, Louisiana. There's the watch warning map. We've got flash flood watches in effect for parts of Kansas, Missouri, the southern tip of Illinois, winter storm watches for parts of Wyoming, Nebraska, Colorado, red flag warnings for parts of New Mexico, and down toward El Paso, Texas, as they could see some wildfires there. Here's the severe weather outlook through tonight. We have a marginal risk from Oklahoma and southern Kansas to parts of Ohio and West Virginia. Tomorrow, a risk of severe storms over parts of the Texas Panhandle, the Texas South Plains, much of Oklahoma, and some of the adjacent states. This is day 3, which is Saturday, a risk of severe storms through parts of Texas, Kansas, and Oklahoma. Day 4, Sunday, a risk over Arkansas and North Louisiana. But again, on day 5, there is no severe weather outlooked at this point for Alabama. And we'll talk more about the setup in a few minutes. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. Heavier totals north and west of the state. For Alabama, the amounts mostly between 1/2 and 1 inch through Thursday morning of next week. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 3. You got a 591 upper high over the Gulf of Mexico and a very deep upper low coming into the southwest United States. But for us, the weather just not changing much. Tomorrow, partially sunny, warm, highs between 77 and 80. There might be a shower near the Tennessee state line, but this is the high-res NAM showing basically nothing. Most of Alabama will be dry. Same thing Saturday. The high should be around 80, partially sunny. We got a storm system off to the west with snow increasing over Colorado and a chance of severe storms south and east of the surface low. This is Sunday. Snow still falling around Denver, up into parts of Wyoming and Nebraska. Got the dry line east of Dallas-Fort Worth, strong to severe storms in advance of that. But for Alabama on Sunday, the day dry, highs low 80s, partly sunny. Might be the warmest day so far this year. And then Monday, that batch of rain and storms begins to move in. This is the instability on Monday. And again, the values have been trending higher, but the wind fields are weakening. So again, for now, we're not looking at a big severe weather threat, but there certainly might be a few strong storms around. This is Tuesday, the surface front drifting down toward the southern part of the state. North Alabama could be drier. This is Wednesday. Still got a surface low near Fort Smith, Arkansas, and by Wednesday night, that surface low is north of Memphis with a good batch of rain and storms in here. But there's been some disagreement in how this evolves toward the middle of next week. But at this point, it looks like we'll have a round of showers and storms Monday, another one Wednesday or Wednesday night. And this is a week from today, Thursday, March 18th, troughing north and east of the state, and the rain moving out at that point. We'll go out 10 days. This is Sunday, March 21st, a zonal flow and a dry air mass. This is the rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble. The mean about 3 inches between now and the 26th of March. Highs for the weekend around 80. This is coming from the national blend of models. Back in the 70s Monday through Wednesday of next week, and then back in the 60s on Thursday and Friday of next week. And hot off the presses, the brand new Cpc Outlook. This is for March 19th through the 25th. Suggesting temperatures here will be pretty close to average values. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
Join the American Meteorological Society by becoming a member of the band. The AMS Weather Band is a global community of weather enthusiasts dedicated to learning and sharing their love of science. Visit amsweatherband.org to learn more and join the band today.